In this video I'm going to be setting up my shipping rates. Now to do this we go to extensions and shipping. Now as you can see there's quite a few already pre-integrated here with the OpenCart software, and a lot of these integrate with their own systems. For instance, just look at the UPS one here. We click on install it and edit, and basically you have to have an access key, a username and a password, and you select payment methods, etc. So like I said, this integrates with UPS's delivery system, and if this is applicable to you, you may use this as a shipping method. Now it's not applicable to me, so what I'm going to do is set up the weight-based shipping, and we just cancel out of here and we go down into the weight-based shipping here. Just before we do that, OpenCart is a little bit like the horse before the cart in a lot of instances. One setting depends on another. So I'm just going to go into System, Localization and Geozones. Now as we can see here, there are 2 geozones set up already. None of these will be applicable to me as I'm living in Ireland, so I'm going to have to insert a new geozone here. So I go over to the right hand side and click Insert. And the first thing I have to do is give the geozone a name. Then I give it a description, and I'm just going to keep the description the same as the name. Then I come down here and I add geozone. Now the geozone here, I have to select my country for my geozone, or even a group of countries if it was applicable. So I'll just drop down the menu here and I'll start to type the letter I for Ireland, and all the I's start coming up. So I keep pressing I until my country comes up. I select it. Then the zones here refers to the zones within Ireland, in other words the counties within Ireland. So I can select it, I leave it at all zones because it covers all the zones within Ireland. Next we just click save. Now we can go back to our extensions and shipping. Now we'll go back down here and we're going to install the weight-based shipping. Then we click edit, and as we can see we have a tab here now for Ireland. So generally speaking, we can select our tax class if we have tax classes set up. For instance, if there was tax on the actual shipping rates that we're going to set up here, I'm just going to leave this at none for now, and I'm going to have the general status as enabled. Now the sort order for this is my preferred shipping method, so my sort order is going to be number 1. Now next I need to go into Ireland, and we can go into each geozone here and enable or disable it individually. First I'm just going to enable Ireland here. We have to put in the actual shipping rates here, and basically they are the weight and the cost, and they are basically done as per this example here. Now for Ireland, to get these rates, you can just click on the link and it'll bring you straight to An Post's shipping rates, and we'll just go there now and have a look at it. Now Ireland basically has 4 zones, and the zones are Ireland, Great Britain, Europe and the rest of the world. Now as we can see here, we have the weight not over 50 grams. If it's a letter or postcard size, will be 60 cent. If it's a large envelope, €1.05. A packet, $2.40, and a parcel would be $6.50. Now this is something you need to satisfy yourself that the size of your item falls within the criteria of parcel, packet, large envelope or letterpost. The way we'll be entering our shipping rates will be for 50 grams, it will be 0.050 : and my items are going to more often than not be packets, and we're going to have 2.40 after that. So I'll just show you the example back on the site. So 0.050 : 2.4. That's my first shipping rate set up. Now my second rate that I'm going to set up is up to 250 grams, and I'm going to set that up for €3. So that's 0.250 : 3.00. So just to show you, and insert the comma, and we move on to the next one, and I'll just show you the 1 kilogram one at 650 here. So we're just going to put 1:6.50. So you would continue doing this until you built up the table. Now unfortunately I don't think there's a fast way of doing this, but at least you will be sure of the latest postal rates by doing this. This again will be something that may need to be maintained from time to time. So simply when we've done that, we click save and we go over to our storefront and we proceed to make a purchase just so that we can see the shipping rates at work on the checkout page. So here on our checkout page, the delivery method is the weight-based shipping and it's selected here. There's only one method of shipping at the moment, and Ireland, and the weight is 0.02 kilograms and €2.40 is the actual charge here for the shipping. Now, irrespective of how many shipping rates we have set up, the one that we give either 0 or 1 sort order to will always be selected as the first option up here. So this is why we give the sort order here on the weight-based shipping.